Welcome to another episode of the Salto podcast, where we explore trending topics in smart living, innovative access control, and smart building solutions. Today, we're discussing retrofitting, specifically how Salto's smart locking solutions can help you upgrade any door in any property without the hassle of rewiring or replacing the entire system. It's a practical step for facility managers, business owners, and tech-savvy homeowners alike. Let's dive in.
Unlocking Talks, a podcast by Salto.
Hi, Alex. Thanks for joining us again on our podcast.
Hi, great to be back. As always, it's a pleasure to come here, the House of Smart Access, to explore this universe.
Well, today's episode covers a really interesting topic. We've talked a lot about new constructions in previous episodes, but the reality is that fully investing in a brand new system can be a challenging move for many users. That's why this time we're digging into retrofits, but especially we are going to explore what makes Salto's retrofit offerings stand out from the rest.
I'm excited. Retrofitting is a big deal right now, and I believe it's one of the smartest and smoothest moves smart access should focus on, especially as we transition into this new way of accessing spaces.
So tell us, Alex, what makes Salto's door retrofit offering so unique?
Salto's smart locks are a brilliant solution for anyone looking to modernize their access control system without starting from scratch. Traditional access control has its limits, like needing to rekey locks every time a user leaves or dealing with lost or damaged physical keys. It's slow, expensive, and frankly a bit outdated. Meanwhile, Salto's smart locks are wire-free and designed to be installed directly onto existing doors.
That sounds like a massive time saver. No drilling or building-wide rewiring?
Exactly. The beauty of these solutions is their simplicity. Salto locks are wireless, easy to install, and compatible with a wide variety of existing door types, from office doors to perimeter access points and even emergency exits.
So, if I'm getting this right, there's no need to remove old doors or rip out existing mechanical systems?
That's the idea. Just install and go.
And who is this kind of solution really designed for?
Great question. It's really for both property managers and larger organizations. We work with facility managers, universities, workspaces, and so much more.
What about users?
Actually, Salto smart locks are just as useful for individual users. Say you have a home office, a hotel, or rental space. If you want secure, flexible access without dealing with physical keys, these solutions will work for you too.
I love that. So, what are some of the key features that make this system stand out?
Let's start with universal compatibility. Salto's smart locking solutions integrate seamlessly with existing door standards across the world. Europe, North America, Asia, you name it, we fit it. Then there's the comprehensive smart locking product portfolio.
Tell me more about it.
From electronic cylinders to smart padlocks, locker locks, and wall readers, whatever the access point, Salto has a solution.
It sure seems convenient.
Absolutely. Plus, these solutions also offer over-the-air updates, a sleek, low-maintenance design, and real-time activity notifications, providing a secure, future-ready access ecosystem.
Real-time alerts? That's brilliant, Alex. I imagine this feature adds a lot of peace of mind, especially in shared spaces.
You are right. In this way, you're always in the know about who's where, accessing what, and when. And for anyone managing multiple users, you can set specific permissions, revoke access instantly, and avoid awkward situations where someone still has a key but shouldn't.
What about sustainability? There's a big push for greener solutions right now, but also many empty words. How do you manage responsibility in this way?
Fortunately, Salto takes that very seriously. Our wire-free design cuts down on energy use, and we reduce reliance on physical keys, which often end up lost or in landfills. Plus, our Access 4 series has earned an environmental product declaration, and we're actively working to reduce our carbon footprint at every stage, from production to end of life cycle.
That's great to hear. Smart, secure, and sustainable. These solutions really seem to tick all the boxes. But I do not believe in perfection, Alex.
And you shouldn't. The key is in their design. They're built to last with minimal maintenance, cost-effective, and eco-friendly for the long haul.
Before we wrap up, what would you say to someone considering making the switch to Salto?
Whether you're running a large facility or just want smarter access, retrofitting with Salto is a solid investment. Our smart locking solutions are secure, quick to install, easy to manage, and flexible enough to scale as your needs change.
Yeah, I guess it is not just installing locks. To unlock safer and smarter, it's an investment for the future.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
Once again, thank you, Alex, for your enthusiasm. It is always a pleasure to talk with you. And thank you to our little tech lovers, our Salto adopters, for tunning once again.
Unlocking Talks, a podcast by Salto.
Thank you for joining us for another episode of the Salto podcast. We hope you found this breakdown informative and insightful. Make sure to check our blog, where you can read our full analysis on this topic. For more episodes like this, check us out on Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube. Ready to go keyless? Join us again soon for our next episode. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.